Yes, sir. After you finish cross through the monofilament on this part, this is the last part, okay? So you need to cover the protective cover, this one on here. You must put it here. It can prevent the corn will come inside here if some accident happens, because once the corn come inside and touch this part, you see this is the screw roll, and there's a small roll here. If it touch with this corn and make big stamp, it will be broken very easily. And also because the speed of this machine is very quick, so it will be more dangerous. So please pay attention that you must put this protective cover after you finish cross through the monofilament. Thank you.